Hi there. In this video, I wanted to show you how you can create services within your Adracare account. So you would have to have access to My Organization. Typically, the administrators are the only ones that have access to that. And then from there, you would just go to Service Templates, and then you would have a list of typically the default ones. Here in this demo environment, we have a bunch. And from there, you should be able to create a service. So you would name it. Um, you don't have to put a service type. Some people like to indicate and get granular there. We do recommend putting a duration, right? So actually, let me put in something here. So CBT counseling. Put a service. Most people don't. You can put a duration so that in the appointment it actually auto fills and when you're scheduling when you select that service. This setting is really for online booking if you're going to restrict what type of patients. I usually just leave it at both for now when creating it. The rest of the stuff is really not specific. It is for if you are setting up insurers or anything in the payment side of things, especially here. If you have patient payment set up, it would auto populate with the price based off of the service for that appointment. But if you're just setting up a service, um, typically it's just name, duration, description. If you want to put some details so you remember what this is all about. The color is always good so you can differentiate between services. And then the rest of the stuff here is really for online booking or for notifications or other features where you can get granular on those details. And we can cover those the specifics in other videos more relevant to that. All right. And then once you create it, it gets listed out there. So here it will be listed here under that color. And you can always delete it if you need to clear it out from your list. And then, as you are probably aware, just to make sure it's clear, is that from here you'll be able to then select that service that you just created and have it used in the appointment. Um, all right. So hopefully that was helpful. Thank you.